Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is just a class reminder for our beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 30th of November 2021. We did a first move and a shoulder slide, a yo-yo and a half windmill. Links in the description below for the teachers of each of those separately. Together they look like this. It goes 7 and 8. First move we go back, in, twist, twist, turn, face. Return shoulder slide, we went through and catch right, return for the yo-yo, we came in, twist, flat, stayed nice and straight, ready for the half windmill, raise the right, raise the left, and back, and that was it. I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with a reminder of next week's class. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Practice tune recommendation on the end. Thank you, as always, for watching World of Floorcraft and coming to our classes. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.